What's up, folks? This is Yamatek again, bouncing with some Apex Twin on the background. So this is as you see, the Spark drone DJI. I'm so thrilled. I'm so excited. Okay, let's take a look. This is the case we have here. The back I see in the box. So first I'm grabbing here, which seems to be a little carton box with the charging cable in it, and here we have the back where we can store the drone in. Nothing left in the box than just to toss it aside. Okay, so let's start looking into these. What is this? This is the, oh yeah, that's the cable, and also I think there is also a manual somewhere there. So yeah, we can toss that aside. So we have the cable, we have the bag, and we have a case there. Okay, let's see. Let's look into the case. Oh, sweet. We have the white, I think Alpen white DJI Spark. Let's see, we have I see we have two batteries there. Okay, well, let's see what's in the bag. In the bag we what's that? Okay, so we have the protection gear. That's for the propellers. Okay, we have two of them and another two. Sweet. Okay, what else? Okay, yeah, that's the controller. And what is this? Oh, this is the adapter, of course. Let's see, we have there the propellers. So with the Flying More combo, you get extra propellers for the DJI Spark. You get the remote control and you get the safety things. Okay, the bag looks pretty nice. It's in here we find, okay, it's what is it, the place to charge the batteries in it. It's very well made, it's good quality. It's I'm pretty sure that can definitely keep your drone safe. So that looks also pretty fancy, so not too bad, not too bad. Okay, let's take a look at the drone. All right, Sparky Spark. So what do we see here? It has the camera. It's very small, you know, it's size of my hand. I'm very surprised how small this is. If you compare it to the wobble head, it has the same height as the wobble head. It's really amazing, such a small device. It's incredible. So with the flying combo, you get extra propellers, 4 of them exactly. Well, actually 1 extra battery. These batteries are what they called intelligent flight battery, because they will let the drone know how far you can fly and when it needs to go back, which sounds pretty intelligent to me. So the controller, it feels really nice. I mean, it's not it's plastic, but I don't know, it feels like good material. The lower part you can unfold, and you'll notice that you need to make some effort to unfold it, which is good because it means it will not fold back and it's not loose, which means that when you place your phone, I don't think, or you can be rest assured that it will not just fall out. It feels a bit like a PlayStation 4 controller once you have it in your hands, which I'm a PlayStation 4 fan, so which is just good enough for me. So you see the thumbnail sticks, it has a little bit of a grip there, which is good. It has good feeling when using it, I would think. I've not used it yet, but that's the feeling I have. We see here a rotating thing, which I have no idea what it will do, but I'll notice soon enough. Another button, which I have no idea what it will do, but again, soon enough I'll know, and I'll definitely share with you guys my experience with it. So you see here a recording button and a button to make some pictures. the sport button. Also gonna do some racing with this thing. Um, so the antenna. So from what I heard is you get with the controller you can fly up to 2 kilometers, and without the controller it will be about 500 meters, I think, which is already pretty far. So as you see, it feels very good in the hand, I must tell you. So I'm gonna place my phone just to see how it fits, and if there is a really good grip, and I must say there is a really good grip. There is some sort of a rubber where you slide your phone in, and yeah, it feels pretty good actually. It's look, I'm trying to shake it to see if it falls, but it definitely doesn't fall. And believe me, I'm shaking. So even just to unmount it, you see it takes me some effort, which yeah, you can be rest assured your phone will not fall off. The cable, yes, so it's a USB cable which you can use it to charge the controller. You can also use it, of course, to charge the Spark. You can use actually a portable charger, which, from what I've heard, you can also charge the Spark with it. The protection propeller, it's yeah, I mean, I will definitely use it, especially since it's my first time using or playing with a drone. So it's very easy to mount it on. As you see, it has some sort of click there, clasp, which you need just to click on it. Also to yeah to remove it, you just boom, just unclick it, turn it slightly, and you pull it off. So the propellers will have a white mark on it. You'll need to attach those to the motors, which also have a white mark to it. As you see, the propellers you'll need to push and rotate it a little bit to 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 uh, to lock it. So as you see, it's locked now, so it will not fall off. And to unlock it, you need to push it again, rotate it slightly, and it comes off. Okay, so at the front we see the gimbal, which makes the awesome footage. We see the sensor there, and let's see what else. I believe at the bottom you also see some sensors, which basically detect the ground when you're flying. So it makes sure that it will not crash into the ground. At the back end, you see some open space where you can put a battery in it, and there where it says Spark, that's actually a lid which you can open, and you can connect either the USB cable to charge the Spark, or you can, or actually you can also add a mini SD card there for to store your footage. At the side, we see it with looks like a ventilation caps to ventilate the engine of this little device. I'm still amazed how small this thing is, and I can't wait to use it, honestly. Okay, so the adapter, nothing fancy to it. Looks like a normal adapter, except of course of the yeah, that part, the input that goes into the, yeah, what is it, the docking station to charge all of the batteries. There is room for 3 batteries in that station. You get one extra with the flying combo package. Each battery will last about 15 minutes, so I've heard. So probably I might buy another battery, but we'll see how far I get with 2. So the case is made out of hard foam, which looks pretty nice. I will definitely use this over the back because it fits nicely into my backpack. And I'm also pretty sure this will keep my Spark safe. It's a hard case, yes. So yeah, nicely logo there of DJI. No complaints here. So the back looks pretty nice. Well, like I mentioned, I will use the case over the back because I don't see myself walking with such bag, but it's nice to have. It has room for 2 batteries, as you see. Of course, the spark as well. It looks nice. It looks nice. It looks like there is enough room for stuff to put it in there. The quality looks also very nice, very sturdy. Definitely will keep your spark pretty well protected. All right, folks, that was it. Let me know what you thought about this short video about the spark. I'm very thrilled to start using this little device. I will definitely let you know how it will go. I will make some videos out with using this device and share it with you. Please leave a comment and suggestions on what is your experience with the drone. Give me a thumbs up if you like the video and stay tuned for the next one. Peace!